Then the last question, question 5C, required that the candidates should state five measures that an organization would take to control voluntary turnover. So the question attracted 5 marks. Voluntary turnover in this context refers to where an employee leaves the working environment voluntarily without having to be pushed. So what are some of the measures that an organization could put in place? So firstly, an organization can have a comprehensive or competitive retirement packages. And these competitive retirement packages could be enjoyed by employees who work within the organization up to the point of retirement. Secondly, employee welfare benefits. This could include things like health insurance schemes that guarantee employees an opportunity to be able to access medical cover for themselves and their children and dependents. So this could endear employees to an organization. Thirdly, career progression. Some employees may leave an organization to seek career progression elsewhere. So where an organization has got career progression or career paths which are clearly carved out, then an organization can be able to stem the idea of voluntary turnover so that workers can be retained in the organization. Then fourthly, an organization can have competitive pay that appreciates, recognizes performance, for instance. So with this kind of competitive pay, then workers will not have to leave the organization to go and seek greener pastures. They can still work for the organization. The organization can be competitive and workers can still be retained. Then lastly, training and skills development. In this case, an organization can have a training package, skills development program, where workers can be able to utilize their skills, workers can go for training, workers can also be able to be sponsored, and in so doing, employees can be able to build themselves, can grow as the organization also grows. So, dear learner, this was the C part of the question 5.